My name is Kyle Stricklin. I own Eye Doctor here in town and automatic vending service. Unfortunately, our vehicle was parked at home and someone shot out our windows with a BB gun at night, and the windows were broken and also there was damage to the side of the vehicle. They weren't a very good shot. I heard about the Easy Estimate tool at our leadership group. I went to work that morning with a broken window and did it at work, but the whole process, it took like 10 minutes. I was seriously surprised. Easy to use, very straightforward. There were videos that explained like where to find the VIN, made it super clear of what I was supposed to do. Barry got back to me very quickly. He communicated effectively, so I knew what to expect. I think later that day I received the estimate. I didn't have to go anywhere. I was able to handle the whole thing by having my vehicle and just my phone. It saved me a ton of time. Time is the most valuable thing we got, so if I can deal with insurance in a very timely manner, take care of it correctly, yeah. I would recommend the Easy Estimate tool to a friend if when you're dealing with insurance you would rather just make it easier instead of harder. Use the Easy Estimate tool. And the guys at Big Sky Collision, they run a business correctly.
An auto accident is inconvenient, but the aftermath doesn't have to be. If you're in an accident, head to our website at bigskycol.com and click on our Easy Estimate tool.